So good morning, everyone. Now today will be the second day for completing our chapter. For further proceeding with our chapter, the role of government in the health. Fine. As in yesterday's class, I have given you the concept that what is government? Government means the representative which we choose through the election process, and they are responsible to provide all the basic things like education, health, roads, safety, and you can say electricity, etc. All the things they are giving to us. ये सारी चीजें हमें गवर्नमेंट देती है. So in this chapter we will study the role of government in health. Health में क्या role है? So for preceding that we had discussed what is health, what is health. ये हमने कल डिस्कस किया था. Is able to give me answer for the same? What is health? Anyone?
It is our ability to remain free of illnesses and diseases.
It is the ability to remain free from illness or out from the illness. So illness doesn't mean only our body, हमारी body से related illness, कोई disease या कोई चोट, ये सारी चीजें जो है, these are not only the parameter to be measured under the health. Other parameters are also there. Can you tell that parameters? Number one.
Safe drinking water.
Ma'am,
Pollution free environment.
food and water.
Pollution-free environment.
Good amount of food and water.
Good amount of food.
Yourself, everyone. First is safe drinking water. Second one is one child. Ara Prabhakar.
Ma'am,
Cheaper hospitals.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, cheaper hospitals.
Hospital facility. Safe drinking water. Safe pollution-free environment.
Getting good food of amount, good food.
Good amount.
Getting a good amount of food for
Of
Getting good
quality
amount of
food.
Food with
Good
quality.
amount of quality food. Not क्या है? Good amount of quality food. All these are considered to be as the parameter of health. हेल्थ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हम लोगों ने इस चैप्टर को पढ़ाना है. यहाँ तक सारे पॉइंट्स क्लियर हैं which we have discussed. This was the short recapitulation for getting further proceedings. Like India is having largest medical facility. As yesterday's class I had told you that remembering based question is there. We have very fine medical facilities here in India, producing every year 15,000 of doctors. But अगर इस डॉक्टर की बात करो, 15,000 of doctor every time are being produced in every year, but still the gap between the number of produced of the doctor and the size of population, it is very large. So 15,000 doctors are not able to provide the basic facilities to the size of population, as we have 1.3 billion population. So we cannot say no doubt India is having largest number of medical hospitals, largest number of medical facilities, producing 15,000 every year doctors, but the size of population is still very large, so they cannot meet with this demand. Fine. Second thing is India is having medical facility, but दूसरा demerit क्या है? All the doctors want to settle themselves fully in which area? Urban area. They do not want to make their hospitals in rural area. So rural people are still get disappointed. They do not get the facility to take their medical treatment whenever they require. Is it clear? First is मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, लेकिन वो सारे अर्बन एरिया में. डॉक्टर्स हैं, they want to set up in urban area. डॉक्टर्स का साइज है, but it is not meeting with the quality content. We say that foreigners are also coming to get the treatment from India, but the treatment available in India is very costly. साथ साथ demerit में बता रहे हैं. One is merit, another is demerit. Fine. No doubt foreigners are coming to get the medical treatment over here, but still the treatment which is available in India is very costly, which common people or the poor people of India are not able to get. Like अगर मैं एग्जाम्पल बताऊं तो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में कांता की एग्जाम्पल दी थी. कांता was a lady who was getting the equal right in casting the vote, but she was not able to provide medical facility to her daughter. So she was supposed to stand in one line. So these kinds of difficulties are still there. India is fourth largest country in the production of medicines, but still lack of medicines are there for to get the assessment among the poor section of society. All these parameters are clear to you? Is up to this is clear to everyone? If any doubt, please ask. I'll explain once again. That is, health जो है, health care to prevent from the illness, we need number 1 hospital, number 2 laboratory for testing, number 2 community center, number 4 ambulance, number 5 we need, that is blood bank. So the persons who are providing services in all these sectors are number 1 nurse, number 2 qualified doctor, number 3 technician for testing in the laboratory, number 4 driver of ambulance, and number 5 we can say ward boys. So all these are considered to be as the health workers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just hold. So on page number 21, third line, you have to just underline that India is having a large number of doctors. India is having all the clinics and hospital, and these our country has experience of and knowledge of running public healthcare system. So this system of hospital and healthcare run by government. ये कौन चलाता है? Government, because of the very expensive tools, techniques, gadgets are being required to take care the illness of a patient. So ability to look after a health in large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of a village. We also go into more detail for this later. हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते कि हर गांव में ये medical treatments जो है वो हर जगह provide की जा सके. Is it possible for a government to provide all these very expensive material or gadgets in all the village? No. So that is why what they do, they just made one center में one civil hospitals. आपने सुना होगा. You also have in Phagwara one civil hospital, in Jalandhar one civil hospital. होता है एक civil hospital which is being run by the government and providing all the facilities and necessary conditions for making the arrangement for the common people and those who are not able to pay the heavy budgets in the private sectors. So there has been a phenomenal advancement of medical services whereby many new technologies and treatment proceedings are available in these government hospitals. Many new technology, many new equipments are available only in these hospitals. Okay? But it is not possible for the government to provide these facilities and in each and every village, as it is very expensive. So village लोगों को city में civil hospital आना ही पड़ता है. Second column points out that poor healthcare situation in our country. अब देखिए, हमने देखा, मैंने पहले ही आपको एक्सपीरियंस करवा दिया है कि इंडिया इज हैविंग लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, 15,000 डॉक्टर, 18,218 मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल्स आर देयर, और मेडिकल persons are also coming here to get the treatment. ये सारी चीजें हैं, but still second phenomenon क्या है? Lack of knowledge. Number 2 point क्या आता है? That poor and health situation Like in the government hospitals, all the workers are not taking care of these things, these expensive things in a proper way, and they are not providing these facilities, features to the common people or those who are very poor. So वो उनको provide ही नहीं करते. So this kind of problem is still there, as the data is also being shown us कि हर साल 2 लाख लोग जो है वो मलेरिया से प्रभावित होते हैं. ये हमने देखा हर साल. जो अगर मैं आपको अगर एक वर्ड करवाऊं बड़ा हो जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. अगर मैं बताऊं कि एक बच्चा पैदा होने से 1 साल पहले उसको अगर प्रॉपर इम्यूनाइजेशंस ना हो, तो ज्यादा इंजेक्शंस प्रॉपर जैसे लगते हैं सबको ना लगे, तो उनकी डेथ भी हो जाती है बच्चों. वो भी रेट जो है वो हमारे इंडिया में स्टिल इट इज हाई. पर 1000 जो है उन बच्चों का रेट जो है अगर देखा जाए तो वो भी अभी ज्यादा है. ओनली इन सम स्टेट इट इज वेरी लेस बिकॉज ऑफ द मेडिकल फैसिलिटी. बाकी स्टेट्स में अभी भी काफी ज्यादा है. So second situation is still with all the above positive development, still we have positive development, but negative traits are also there, as this is the paradox, something that is contrary to what we expect. Our country has money, हमारे कंट्री के पास पैसा भी है, नॉलेज भी है, लोग भी हैं और एक्सपीरियंस भी है, but we cannot make healthy necessary health care available to all, and we have to look with the example with these things. Is it okay? So एक स्टोरी दी हुई है, that is the story of हाकिम शेख. हाकिम शेख की एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है. Who will be going to read? Parul, just try to read treatment to all of us. So no doubt government hospitals provide basic treatment and well equipment are there in that hospital, but still they are not taking the patient in or admitting the patient because they want to avoid the critical situations. So 1 hospital, 2 hospital, 3, and consequently for 14 hours he was being discouraged in the 8th hospital, and finally he go to the private hospital where the treatment was very costly, very expensive, but he was being treated. But as a member of one of the Mazdoor Union Samiti in Bengal, he had filed a case against the government hospital. It means we have the right to go to the government if the government are not helping us. यहाँ से हमें ये भी पता लगता है. But on the other side, we come to know that the government workers are avoiding the situations to get into the critical thinking. Critical way में जाने के लिए बचते हैं. They do not avoid to do the work. ठीक है. So हमें यहाँ पर ये एग्जाम्पल से क्या पता लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट hospitals are having all the facility, but they do not they are not ready to help the common people and provide the fair treatment. That is why the condition of Indian government hospitals are not good. Common people do not prefer to go to the government hospitals. अब suppose मैं छोटी सी एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. अगर हमें कुछ हो जाता है तो हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें कहाँ लेके भागते हैं, हमें कहाँ लेके जाते हैं. अगर सपोज हमें फीवर हो जाए, थोड़ी सी कोई तबीयत खराब हो जाए, तो हम लोग गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, सिविल हॉस्पिटल फगवाड़ा में जाते हैं या किसी प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं. Our parents used to take us to the private hospital. Private में लेके जाते हैं. Why so? Because they know कि गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स वालों ने हमें लंबी लाइनों में बिठा देना है, whether our condition is there to sit and wait for getting the treatment or not. So these all are the demands of our government healthcare centers or government hospitals. Is it clear up to this? कोई doubt बेटा यहाँ तक? Now proceed to the next page, page number 22. यहाँ पर सारी की सारी conversation जो है that is being going on, the cost of a cure, कि यहाँ पर कौन से बचाने के लिए कितनी cost कहाँ पर लगती है. So 2 students I need for this who will be going to read.